Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about wasting time. So, let's get started. Could you describe an occasion when you wasted your time? Once, I spent hours playing video games instead of studying for my exams. Or what did you do? I got engrossed in playing a popular online game. Now, this is a good opportunity for you to put personalization into these answers, including saying specifically what game you're playing. When was it? I was at home in my room. When was it? It took place last semester. Why do you think it was a waste of time? Looking back, I realized I should have spent that time studying to achieve better grades. Okay, so that's all the questions done for today. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me, as it's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. Constant influx of information, digital distractions, and the allure of entertainment. Spending hours on social media, gaming, and binge-watching television shows. Moments of indulgence hinder personal development and progress. Fostering a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Engaging in reading, learning new skills, exercising, and spending quality time with loved ones. Tasks that contribute to personal growth, well-being, and long-term goals. Creating a daily schedule with specific time slots for tasks. Avoiding multitasking and focusing on one task at a time. And setting achievable goals and breaking tasks into small steps. Limiting social media use and setting designated times for checking email. Creating boundaries for entertainment. And engaging in mindfulness practices and reflecting on the value of time. Leading fulfilling lives, achieving goals, and maintaining work-life balance. Making intentional choices that reflect personal values and aspirations. Valuing time as a precious commodity. Effective time management is essential for personal and professional growth. Prioritizing tasks and avoiding time-wasting activities. And understanding the significance of time management in a fast-paced world. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look at some of these and see if you could use them in your daily English use. Invaluable resource, prioritize tasks, significance of time management, fast-paced world, fall into the trap of time wastage, learn to make the most of one's time. Time management is a critical skill in today's society. Taking control of one's daily routine. Striking a balance between work and leisure. Allocating time slots for various activities. Breaking the cycle of unproductive habits. Valuing time as a finite resource. Making conscious choices about how to spend time. And putting a premium on efficient use of time. Adopting a proactive approach to time management. Making time for both personal and professional pursuits. Avoiding time-consuming activities. Navigating the challenges of time management. And lastly for today, our paraphrasing exercises. Have a go at putting some of these into your own words at home. Describe an occasion when you wasted your time. You could say, can you talk about a time when you didn't use your time wisely? Or, paraphrasing statements, time management is crucial for personal and professional success. Managing time well is really important for doing well in your personal and work life. And lastly, paraphrasing descriptors which are on your own form. Thank you very much as always for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.